Hi, baby. Hi. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? That's a honey. She's a honey. She's so cute. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Dora, you like her? You like her? She's a good girl. Dora's a good girl, too. Yeah. Good girl? You a good girl? You a good girl? Oh, so good girl. Hi, Fred. You want to see the baby? See the baby? See the baby?